third graders. Today we're looking at lesson 2 in your social studies book, A Spanish Community. You are there. Your ship has been tossed and turned by wind and waves for weeks now. Half of your crew is sick from disease and hunger. If you don't find land soon, you don't know what you will do. This afternoon you heard the call from the top of the ship that land had been sighted. Finally, you reached your destination, the Americas. Surely gold must be here somewhere. You have traveled so far to find it. Your men can't wait to touch solid ground again. You wonder what you will find in this new place. The Spanish in Florida. Juan Ponce de Leon landed north of present-day St. Augustine, Florida. He named the place where he landed La Florida, which means land of flowers. He and his crew hoped to find Native American cities full of riches. Instead, they found only a beautiful land that was perfect for farming. Disappointed, Ponce de Leon left. He went to Puerto Rico and then back to Spain. Ponce de Leon came back to the northern coast of Florida in 1521, bringing about 200 settlers with him. He hoped to build a city there. Unfortunately, the Spanish who first arrived attacked the native people. When Ponce de Leon returned, his crew was attacked and he was killed by an arrow. The fight for Florida. The French also decided to build a settlement in Florida. In 1564, they set up a fort and a colony on the St. Johns River. Fort Caroline was near where the Spanish had first landed. The French settlement threatened the safety of the Spanish treasure ships that sailed along the Florida coast on the way home to Spain from South America. King Philip II of Spain sent Don Pedro Menendez de Aviles, Spain's most experienced admiral, to be governor of Florida. The king told him to explore and settle Florida. Menendez was also told to drive out any pirates or settlers from other countries. Menendez arrived in Florida in 1565. Menendez and his soldiers and settlers built a fort, Castillo de San Marcos. The area was sheltered from the ocean. It could be defended easily. The Spanish called the settlement St. Augustine. Menendez then defeated the French at Fort Caroline. With the help of a hurricane, he defeated the French fleet in the Atlantic Ocean. A fleet is a large group of ships. The coast of Florida was finally controlled by Spain. St. Augustine became the first permanent European settlement in North America. St. Augustine today. Hi, my name is Kevin and I live in St. Augustine, Florida. If you come to my city, we could visit the beaches and go to the historic sites in town. We can see the oldest standing house in the United States. We can explore the oldest stone fort in the country, Castillo de San Marcos. We can visit Fort Mose, which protected Africans from slavery. My city, St. Augustine, is one of the oldest communities in the United States. Our history is important, and the people here in St. Augustine have kept the Spanish culture of the community alive. What is the history of your community? Let's summarize lesson 2. Ponce de Leon hoped to find gold in Florida. Instead, he found beautiful land for farming. The French came to Florida and threatened Spanish ships. After the Spanish defeated the French in Florida, St. Augustine became a permanent settlement. The community of St. Augustine has kept its history alive.